Hello everyone. So today in this video we will discuss how you can connect your domain to Namecheap shared hosting. So this is our domain hr-web.xyz. So we will link this domain to our Namecheap shared hosting cPanel. So this is our Namecheap hosting panel. So in this panel you can go to Addon Domains. Okay, just scroll down a little bit. Okay, sorry, not file manager. We have to go to Addon Domains. Yes, here this is Addon Domains. Click on it and you just need to enter the domain name like this. Make sure to not add any space in before that, and here in public root you just add public_html/. so this will put a path to your root directory. Okay, so now click on add domain. Okay, just wait for a second. Okay, yes, so here's an error. So the IP address or name servers are not redirected towards the Namecheap. So this is the error. So you just need to go to this website domain and click on this DNS. Okay, so let me check if there are any name servers in the server information. So no name servers, no problem. Okay, no issue. So if you are using shared hosting from Namecheap, then the default name servers are dns1.namecheaphosting.com and the second name server is dns2.namecheaphosting.com. so these both are the default name servers from shared hosting on Namecheap hosting. So just click on the update. Yes, give the consent and update. Yes, the name servers are updated. So let me try to give it a refresh. Yes, so here name servers are updated on the GoDaddy and we also need to check it globally, like on different data servers. Is the Namecheap in the domain? Yes, go to whatsmydns.net, enter your domain and select the NS. So here on the different data centers worldwide, yes, so these name servers are start getting updated. So we just refresh it multiple times and within 5 to 10 minutes it is updated globally. So after that you need to go to Addon Domains again and just go to just write your domain name and the same public_html like this, and now click on add domain. So hopefully this time, because the name servers are now redirected towards the Namecheap shared hosting. Okay, just wait for a moment, it's loading. Wait, oh, it's processing. Yes, the add-on domain has been created. Yes, so now you can see this add-on domain is created. So you can subscribe our channel for more web development videos and like, share and subscribe. Thank you.